Hello kids! Today we are going to learn a new English sentence. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. Sharing the meal with others is a good thing. Now let's say it together. Sharing the meal with others is a good thing. Let's pronounce it word by word. Sharing. Sharing the meal. The meal with others. With others is a good thing. Is a good thing. Now say it one more time, slowly. Sharing the meal with others is a good thing. This means when we eat food, we should share it with our friends, family, or anyone around us. Sharing makes us kind and caring. For example, I shared my lunch with my friend. Sharing the meal with others is a good thing. Now you try. Say it with a big smile. Sharing the meal with others is a good thing. Good job, kids. Keep practicing every day and learn to speak kindly and clearly. Bye-bye.